Okay guys, Miss Elkins here. This is the last 5 questions on your homework that I'm going to help you with. So, get ready. Remember to show all your work. This is Thursday, number 16. Find the product 5 times 2/5. So, in order to multiply a whole number times a fraction, we have to make the whole number a fraction over 1. Once you've done that, you simply multiply numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator, and simplify as necessary. So 5 times 2 is 10. 1 times 5 is 5. And you can simplify that all the way down to 2. Your correct answer there is 2. Because 10 divided by 5 is 2. Number 17, solve for y. We need to do the opposite operation of whatever is happening to the variable. What's happening to the variable is it's being subtracted by 11. So, the opposite of subtracting 11, adding 11. So here's what I do. I add 11 to both sides of my equation to solve it. Negative 11 and positive 11 equals 0. So all I have left on this side is y. And 25 plus 11 is 36. So your answer, y equals 36. Make sure you turn that around because we don't say 36 equals y. We say y equals 36. Okay, number 18. Classify the number negative 1.5. Circle the most specific. It is not a whole number because it has a decimal with it. It is also not an integer because integers are all the whole numbers and their opposites. There's no decimals involved in a whole number or an integer. So the only thing this number can be is rational. Number 19. Write the inequality this number line represents. So this is a give me question. You should already know this. You can see that there's a closed circle on 6. The arrow points this way, and that means it's a greater than or equal to symbol. And you can start with any variable you like. I like x. X is greater than or equal to 6. Now, on the paper, on the Turnitin on Google, you're going to have to write it like this. X is greater than or equal to 6 because you can't do this symbol on a keyboard or any other way. So be sure you put it in. The instructions on Google tell you to do this, but a lot of people are not doing that and they're getting it wrong. And I'm only giving them half credit because they're not reading directions. Okay, and finally, number 20. Graph the ordered pairs 3, 5, and 2, negative 3. Remember that the first number is the x, second number is the y, every time in an ordered pair. So I find positive 3 on my number line, that is x. I find positive 5, let's see, this is hard to see, so I'm counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is right here. So the point 3, 5 is right there. Don't forget to label on your graphs. It's not right unless you label. Then I'm going to plot 2, negative 3. The first thing I do is find 2 on my x-axis and negative 3 on my y. So this is the point 2, negative 3. Remember, this is your 0, so it's 1, 2, 3. Don't miscount those because the numbers are in between or you wouldn't be able to see them. Alright, so that's your homework help for the week. Look for some more assignments coming on Tuesday of next week. Happy weekend, everyone. Love ya.